are going on vacation. We're going to Sunshine. I'm so excited. I'm going to LA this weekend. This has been a trip that has been in the works for probably like 4 months. I've been planning to go visit my friend Cam, who is living there right now, and to go see my manager and my uncle, and just to get away, because sometimes in nursing school you just need a little bit of a break. We packed up. We got a bunch of cute things in here. I managed to fit it all in this suitcase. Shout out to Away and this Herschel supply bag that I just got. Look, it literally attaches to the back of my suitcase. I went to class this morning and I have to go to class this afternoon, but afterwards I'm gonna have my friend Sophia drop me off at the airport. We're gonna go fly to LA. I land at like 8:30, so we don't get like a ton of time there, but we're just gonna make the most out of our trip. I think I needed this. I really did.
Told you that's not my thing, just gotta communicate. That's why we got so many problems now. Keep it a kind and you don't let it out. You're talking so strange, but I got one thing. I don't know what to talk about, but you know I like to dance. So baby, can we walk it out? Now walk, wait a minute, walk, let me see it now, walk.
We arrived. I'm kind of tired. Took a nap on the plane. We're waiting for Cam. Currently stalking Miss Cam. She's close. You want me to put it in the back? Hi! Hi!
Okay, let me throw this in. Oh, I'm on the phone and there's someone trying to parallel park behind me, so I'm like, oh, I gotta move because they're like being stubborn and don't want to like go into their spot. So they're waiting for me. I'm on the phone with Shiv. I sit in my car and I like fall back and my seat was all the way back. Like, and this takes, look at how slow this is. Like, I had been in my car an hour before, so either like someone got in my car and took a nap, or like something jammed this. I've never had that before.
And then you got uncomfy. Yeah.
And I was like, has someone been in my car? But I think it's just there was a weird...
Right. Because nothing was moved, right? Yeah, this stuff would be moved unless someone like got into your car and then was like, oh, this isn't my car. Well, let's go to Venice, I guess.
Let's go to Venice. That was insanity.
I'm getting Pirates of the Caribbean vibes. Sam and I are trekking with the Away. There's the beach. Okay. Good thing you're like a world traveler. I would have never, I was like, one, isn't that on the first floor?
Well, they did it like Europe.
Oh, so small.
She's small, she's cute.
Oh, cute.
The shower.
Let me see. Oh my God. This is nice. Wow.
An espresso.
I don't even know how to use that. That's like so fancy. A Marshall speaker fridge? Wait, is there water in here?
Oh my gosh, look at that fridge.
Oh, whoa. Look at these Kit Kats. That's just so tempting.
Oh, the
box waters. Okay, nice. Cam is ready. Look at her cute fit. Love.
Really different vibes. Wait, we gotta show your boots.
Give me a little spin. We're gonna go hang out with my uncle. We're gonna go get drinks. We'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. And we're together again.
Cashing in my dreams, big payout. Underneath my money tree, big shade out. Now these models wait on me, forget it.
Cam just found the love of her life.
Yeah.
We're having a slow start to the morning. I made Cam get out of bed before 9, which is absurd. But I was like, I can't be patient any longer. We got breakfast where Cam fell in love with our waiter and the waiter fell in love with Cam.
I don't know.
This could be the one.
It never works out, but why not?
I just told Cam they've been doing a terrible job at filming, but we were back at the hotel room. We went on a nice little walk. We went out to breakfast. Today on the agenda, I am meeting with my amazing manager. So we're gonna go out and get lunch, and then Cam and I have reservations tonight at, what's that place called? John and Vinny's. I feel like I've heard of that before. And then Saddle Ranch. So I'm gonna get ready right now. Oh, and we figured out the actual name of the boy. It wasn't the name that was on the ticket.
But we should call him, that Josh is his
pseudo name, yeah. Now I think you have to go back there. I literally remembered Cam. All right, this is our outfit. It's from Erizia. We got the green top, shorts. These are from Madewell, and we're ready to go. Everybody meet Alex.
Hello.
The man behind everything that we do. We got our delicious food, salad, burger. Alex got his coffee, of course. Hi everybody, an update. I had lunch with my manager. So great to see Alex. Had a great time. Food was good. Experience was even better. So 10 out of 10 recommend the Terrace if you are in LA. This is like a foodie trip.
Yeah.
We always get Italian together. Got Italian in Seattle, so now we're doing Italian in LA, and we will care of the two. I trust your Italian.
That one's pretty good.
Yeah, that one in Seattle was really, really good.
And then we're going to Saddle Ranch.
We're going to Saddle Ranch. I had my cowgirl boots on, but then it was so cowgirl that I just couldn't. I just needed to save the boots for after dinner to change into them, and then we will proceed. And driving in LA sucks. That's the lesson we've learned.
That's a Seattle thing when the lane just ends.
Yeah, that is not a Portland thing at all. I'm not used to that. It's very weird, but I did notice that in Seattle and it freaked me out.
I don't care what you say, and I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you.
She's so hungry.
So don't ask, I ain't coming through, 'cause I'm running away to my own world. That's where I'll stay. Yeah.
We just had the most delicious dinner, and Cam is now saving my life because I got pasta sauce on my shorts. I also had to unbuckle my shorts because we had a lot of pasta and bread.
I didn't think
it
I was
really
shushing
good.
you. I was not shushing her, I'm sorry.
She was looking out for my copyright. I used to be the girl with the Tide to Go pen, and now Cam saved my life.
I'm her.
You are her.
She is her, she is me.
All right, we are going to Sunset. We're gonna go maybe take some pics in our cowgirl boots, and then we're gonna go to Saddle Ranch. I'm very excited. That dinner was so good. The vodka pasta.
What was his name? Oh, I didn't look at the receipt. I feel like it was like Marco. Muy caliente.
Nothing ever stays the same.
Cam and I just had the best photo shoot ever, and we also decided that I want to live on Alpine Drive. The houses are very nice. Yeah, we burned some time, and now we're ready for our Saddle Ranch.
We should be neighbors.
Let's do it. This would just be my second home though, because I can't full-time live here.
I want to high five.
You got a hand hug instead.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2/3-ish of LA. I leave tomorrow at night, so Cam and I are gonna try to soak up the last of these adventures. I took a shower this morning, got all dressed. My outfit is from Topshop, Brandy Melville. Shoes are Puma with the socks. I think we might try to go on a hike today. We may go to the Grove. It's never an LA trip for me without going to the Grove. The trip so far has just been so nice to get out of my element. We all deserve a little bit of a break. It's just nice to have something to look forward to mix up the routine and hang with Cam, who is the best Uber driver and just makes every adventure so fun. Cam's about to pick me up, and then we're gonna make a plan. We probably need to get coffee. All the Oregonians would be very proud of me for drinking the LA tap water. I feel like I've tasted worse. Like, I remember being a child and absolutely hating the tap water here, but I can kind of do it. It just leaves like a weird aftertaste in your mouth, and I can't put a finger on it. And oftentimes when they bring you water to your table, there is no ice in the water. Plain, not cold tap water does not taste nice. It's fine, it's free. Look at her little buns. Good morning, Cam.
Good morning. I feel like an alien.
We're gonna go get coffee. I'm wearing the Apple Watch, so it will record my walk. Because I'm a little bit addicted to my rings. Is anybody else? Because I feel a little bit crazy when I'm not wearing it. And I'm like, I'm walking. It's not recording my steps today. It's gonna yell at me and tell me that I need to try harder.
Raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
Now it's hot.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, you might hear some singing in the background. Sometime on our hike, I'm gonna interview Cam, so stay tuned. But first I have to tell her a story. BRB.
Are you ready?
This is gonna be an interview with Cam. If people were to move to LA, what's one piece of advice that you would give them?
Come and visit and figure out what area you want to live in, because don't fall off the ledge. Because there's so many different areas, and also when you come here, try to meet as many people as you can. They're not all gonna be nice, but if you can have a few like good friends in LA, then you're solid.
Most surprising thing about LA?
That there's a little bit of everything. Like, I kind of knew that coming here, but there really is everything. Like, you're never bored here.
What is a moment where you felt like you didn't belong?
I mean, I've been to a few parties where it's like, I don't belong here, but I'm gonna like make it the best that I can.
Yes.
Scary because they're out of my comfort zone, but like if I'm really uncomfortable, I'll just leave.
True, there's always
an
out.
There's always an out.
On a scale of 0, this place is not inspiring at all, to 10, this place is absolute perfection oasis where you want to live forever. How would you rank your California LA experience?
Right now in my life, it's like a solid 7 because I'm really happy here. The weather is wonderful and I feel so inspired every day to create because I'm surrounded by so many creative people, but it's a 7 because it's not my forever place.
Right.
I still don't know what it is. Probably Portland, but
yeah. I would give it like a 5 because a part of it feels like home because I come here all the time, but at the same time, I like Oregon.
Fair.
We made it. Hollywood sign behind us. I don't know if you can see it.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say.
Cam and I got food, thank goodness. I was like, I need food.
You have to tell them that they need to come here.
Yeah, come to the top of Griffith's and look, there's a cafe in there. Vibes are free, Griffith's is free, and I got a chicken Caesar salad.
I got a sandwich.
I'm so excited. We feel well fueled after our food.
We bounced back.
What's our last question of the interview be? Where do you see yourself in 1 year from now?
Probably still here.
Really? Yeah.
Hopefully, okay, 1 year from today, I hope I go to Coachella next year.
Okay.
And I'm like recovering. Like
From Coachella.
next year. Yeah, I hope I'm still doing YouTube and have more friends here and maybe a boyfriend, but like who knows?
I know. Who knows?
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say.
You guys, they closed the American Girl doll store. They're making it backcountry. What about the little girls too?
She was literally just talking about how this is her childhood.
Yeah. Oh my god, I was so excited to come here. This little girl literally had her American Girl doll and was standing by the door and couldn't get in. Like, it's not there anymore. That broke my heart. We're about to try some pickles.
Pickle number 1. Should we try classic first?
Yeah, I think that's that.
Wait, or is that? Wait, that's bread and butter, right?
Yeah, or this is honey mustard.
Oh.
That's really good. That's like regular.
Spicy? Ooh, I'm scared. Spicy?
This is a sweet and spicy.
Oh.
It's got a good kick to it.
Whoa, there's cinnamon.
Yes.
I don't like that one.
I like that one, but I like it. I wouldn't have it forever.
I need a palate cleanser. What's this one?
You'll like that.
What is that one?
This one's honey mustard.
Yeah, so what's this sweet one?
I think we got just a normal sweet one. That's honey mustard. It's not bad.
Yeah, this one, yeah, definitely.
Not like my fave ever, but I like the spicier one more.
I'm not a big honey mustard gal.
Yeah, the honey mustard's like, okay.
Okay, so then what's this one?
That's gonna be our spicy spear? Yeah, spicy spear. Is that one good?
The spears are so good.
Ooh,
that one's really good. The spiciness is like amazing.
Okay, you finish the spears and I'll do the other ones.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Bring the bottle tonight, red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time.
Today is Monday. It's officially the last day I'm here in LA. I woke up, watched some YouTube, slept in, watched my girl Hannah's video, packed up all my stuff. I fit it in my little suitcase. Actually, without even trying that hard. I'm about to eat some Panera potato chips at literally 10 a.m. because Cam just woke up and I'm starving. People have breakfast potatoes all the time. It's totally fine. We are gonna go out to breakfast and then decide what we want to do today. I don't actually leave until 9 at night. I'm gonna miss having this little hotel room all to myself. I'm staying at the Venice Beach Hotel. I usually stay in West Hollywood when I come here, so I love the Chamberlain Hotel. That's where I always stay, so I feel like I know the area well. I've never stayed in Venice before. It's fun to mix it up. Would I stay here again? Maybe not. I think the room, it's so nice, very cute, very aesthetic. The walls are very thin, so you definitely hear a lot. I'm only on the second floor, so I can hear people talking in the alley, which is fine. It doesn't really bother me. And the pictures online definitely make it look bigger. But if you're looking for like a cute little hotel where all you need is to sleep and get ready, and it's a nice hotel without being extremely overpriced, then totally recommend. And it is very walkable to a lot of things in Venice, and if you've never checked it out, then it's like a must-see. I do love the Chamberlain Hotel. I go there a lot when I go to LA. I always eat at the Dialogue Cafe. It's just kind of my tradition. There you go. You got 2 hotel suggestions. I'll talk to you guys when Cam gets here and when we figure out our plan for the day. I'm kind of sad to leave, but I also packed so much into such a short period of time that I feel like I did a lot while I was here.
Undercovers, under lovers, paradox, and we don't stop till Aphrodite sings.
Hi.
Undercovers.
What are you gonna get to eat?
I don't know.
What are you in the mood for? I looked up best sandwiches in LA because I thought I would be like enlightened by a sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm kind of, after we were talking about the sandwiches yesterday, I feel like I need a Sandy. Cheers. Cheers. Final breakfast.
No, it is our final brekkie.
Cam got the breakfast burrito. I got the shrimp sandwich. I've been craving a sandwich.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find.
Cam and I have been having the most relaxing day. Hi vlog. We're at Malibu on the beach in front of some nice houses, just manifesting this as our life. Cam knows all the good spots in LA, so we've been
last week, so I have this full set.
Well, she's gonna come back. We have to end the vlog. Cam's about to drop me off.
Sean, sorry, we'll have to push Sean on pause.
The lighting is nice. It's golden hour.
We love.
We're at LAX. She's about to drop me off. This has been the best trip ever. I needed this. Thank you. Cam is literally like taking me everywhere. It's just been so fun and nice to like get out of my typical routine, and it's just rewarding. And it's like a good reset.
Yeah.
And I was sad I was gonna leave her, but we're seeing each other again. Literally.
Yeah, we're literally going to a movie on Sunday for Mother's Day.
So it's really fine. We're gonna be okay. What's the question of the day gonna be?
We're at the airport, so I'm thinking like, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would it be?
Love that. What would your answer be?
I think I'd go back to Rome right now, because I've been thinking about it a lot. Because we went to that Italian restaurant and it was just bringing back the memories.
That was so good. I could go for that right now. I could devour that vodka pasta from John and Vinny's.
John and Vinny's.
We love you. Goodbye.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate